Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to link your FiveM account to Discord. First, go ahead and go to the FiveM.net website and then click on Portal. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the CFX portal that might ask you to log in if you are already not. Next, hover to your profile icon on the upper right and click on Account. On the account, go ahead and click on Connections. Go ahead and find Discord. As easy as this, go ahead and click on the Discord and link account. It will redirect you to a new tab, which will ask you to authorize your link connections. After you link the connection, you have successfully linked your Discord to FiveM. That will be all today, and even after you refresh everything, it has been successfully connected to FiveM. That will be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.